Hey guys, are you looking at Udimi Solo Ads and you want to know how to find the best solo ad providers so you can actually get the best quality traffic to your offers? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online in an ethical way that matters, that you can feel good about, right? So, let me get into Udemy Solo Ads, right? So, basically, if you've never used the site, it's free to sign up. And basically, how you would actually go to find people is you want to go to buy solos. And then when you go to buy solos, you want to make sure that the sales are, at 50% because you want them to be the highest that they could possibly be. And pretty much that's pretty much all that you really have to worry about. So, if you scroll this, you want to look at the ratio of sales, like the percentage right here, how many orders they got, and the cost, right? And you basically go and get traffic based on those things, and you want to pretty much try different people. And when you're getting traffic, make sure you filter out your leads, because whenever they come on your list, you want to be tagging your openers and clickers, and you want to make sure that you're not sending to your entire list. You want to only send to the most engaged people who really want what you have to offer. So if they're opening your emails, if they're clicking on your links, if they're engaging and replying in your emails, then they're engaged, right? So you want to divide the engaged people from the people who aren't engaged whenever you set up your messages, right? So whenever you have autoresponder messages, the autoresponder messages are not to be lazy, but they're to actually see who's most engaged on your email list. And then you take those people and then you could do broadcast emails, which are more current, and you do them to the openers, the people who actually open your emails. If you're not doing this the right way, then you're going to struggle when you're doing solo ads, and you want to make sure that you maintain your list health very, very frequently, right? Because if you're not continuously deleting people and getting people off your list, then they're hurting your domain reputation. When your domain reputation gets hurt, your emails will end up in the spam box. And so when people come to me and they're like, "Hey Gio, why aren't I getting any opens? Why aren't people actually seeing my offers? Why aren't I making any sales with email?" Well, there's a lot involved with email. So, Udemy is a well-known source that you can actually go and get traffic from. But I'd highly suggest you come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com, which is my traffic store. And if you get traffic from me right now, since it is Christmas time, I am doing a Christmas bonus. And anybody who gets a traffic package from me, you have a chance to win 100 free solo ad clicks. And you will be entered into the drawing. And my goal is to help you to get high quality traffic to the offers that you're promoting. And I want to make sure that your landing page and sales copy are congruent to the offer, and that you get high quality traffic to your offers, right? Because if you go somewhere like Udemy, that's all fine and good, but you're not going to get feedback. Nobody's going to give you feedback. Nobody's going to actually help you and show you what's working. And I have proven results for people, and when people go and get traffic from me, they get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get traffic from a mix of different sources. And when you order traffic from me, I actually help you to get results. So you want to make sure you get the highest opt-in rate possible. For my clients, I get them as high as 85% opt-in rate. The industry standard is 40 to 50% opt-in rate, but I like to get my clients over 50%. That's my goal. I can't promise that, but I try my best to. And when I do a setup for them, because I help them to manage their funnels and their offers, when I help you to do your funnel setup, you can use that with any offer. And I help you to get the high opt-in rate, and I help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because a lot of people aren't tracking their stats, so you don't really know how good an offer is if you're not tracking your stats. You're just sending traffic to a funnel, and if you're sending traffic to a funnel, not tracking anything, just thinking that you're going to treat it like a casino slot machine, then you're going to be very disappointed when you go to find out that you're not getting any results with solo ad traffic. And I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, right? So whenever you order a traffic package from me, you can actually book a strategy call. And if you look right here, here's some of my clients, here's some of the results. I get people as high as 85% opt-in rate. This is my highest to date right here, 90% opt-in rate with 2 sales on 90 or on 200 clicks. And then there's plenty of other testimonials right here as well. And if you order from me today, there's actually a discount till the end of December, which I actually give you a discount of 50 cents a click on 300 clicks or more. So you get that discount. If you order 500 clicks or more, you get 15% over delivery guaranteed. And any order, no matter if it's small or big, has a chance to win 100 free clicks as long as you order traffic from me. And so here's the holiday deals right here. There's the average, prices. There's the discounted prices. So you want to actually get your package today, so that way you can be entered in for your free traffic, and I can help you. What happens is whenever you go and order traffic from me, you can set up a strategy call with me. Now, people who have questions, chances are your questions are answered down here. But how this really works is whenever you order a traffic package from me, it starts in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you select your traffic package below. Step 2 is you set up your strategy call, and we go over how to get your capture page to convert the best, how to actually maintain your list, how to get your emails to always land in the inbox, how to check your domain health, and how to maintain your list so that way the emails are always up to date and you're not spending extra money. And how do you actually get them to convert, right? So there's a strategy on how to actually do that. Then after we do the campaign review and strategy call, then we do the launch, right? So your traffic will start after you order. And here's my after we have the strategy call, and here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is that you get 100% real traffic, no fake clicks, no bots, 100% real people that really want what you have to offer. I can't issue refunds because it is paid traffic, but what I do is if you have any issues with your order whatsoever, I will help you with your order, make sure you get exactly what you ordered. I am very good with that. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, leave them down here, and I will get back to you as soon as I see the message. I will do my best to reach out to you, and make sure you leave your questions, concerns, or comments below this video. If you have any issues with anything whatsoever, you could also reach out to me on Facebook, Gio Ambrose Gianta. I'm verified now. And click on the link below this video to get into my free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. The Facebook group is free. You can also come to the traffic store below. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this so you don't miss any time that I upload a video. And again, leave your questions, concerns, or comments below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.